Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please become my subscriber by just clicking on that subscribe button. As majority of you are not my subscribers, so become my subscriber by clicking on that subscribe button. Like also, and also make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. So we will look at GBPPS, starting with our Euro GBP. So when we take a look at this, our Euro GBP first, before I actually go, I'm going to put a link to my Patreon channel in case you are interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. High probability trade is what I'll be sharing. If in case you are interested in it, check the comment section, subscribe. You are going to get high probability trade, that I can assure you. You will also see the comment section, as you see a link that to some of the trade that you have actually taken in the past. You can go there to watch it. You can also check my channel. You see playlists to some of the trade that you actually take. That is just a proof to actually, because you're actually making something. I can assure you that more than 80% of the trade you actually take were actually profitable. You can go to the channel, check the playlist, to watch and confirm, by the way. So if you're interested, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Subscribe and you'll get access to some of this trade we'll be taking this week. Now back to this analysis on Euro GBP. Have it in mind that this analysis might not be 100% correct, right? But one thing I know that for sure is that on the trade that on our Patreon channel would be more than 70. We will make sure we are more than 70% correct on the trade we'll be sharing here. So let's see this Euro GBP. One thing I am watching out for is a bit complicated on Euro GBP, because I would want to see this Euro GBP actually drop before it actually take off, because I will be expecting some Euro pairs to actually drop this week. Same thing with GBP. I will be expecting some GBP pairs to literally drop. So I think there will be some kind of like a conflicting movement, right? So when we take a look at these movements, you will see that this is a drop, and you take a look at this to be a correction or a pullback, right? Another drop, you can see this to be a correction or a pullback. So one thing I'm expecting is another drop. Let's see, by the time this week will end on Friday, we should be able to take out these lows. So with the movements, I think we should be able to grab, if not probably 100 pips. I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong, we should be able to grab 100 pips. So personally, I am watching out for this drop on Euro GBP, by the way. So when we go to the 4-hour time frame, I am still spotting a drop. But before you go ahead and sell, wait for a correction. I mean, this is a good amount of drop. Do not just go ahead and start selling. Wait for a correction, because I believe a price will actually react at the same level we currently are once market opens. I expect a reaction whereby we should go bullish. Then one more drop will play out. So that is what I am watching out on Euro GBP. Right, now let's take a look at this GBPAUD. One thing I am watching out for this GBPAUD is actually a drop. So we should be able to get this drop within this week and in 2 weeks' time. So we have about this week that we are predicting for, and the upper week. We should be able to drop and take out this support level. I mean, when you take a look at this daily time frame, you see that literally price has been ranging within this level. All this level that I am seeing, I personally am seeing them as a false breakout. That is what I am seeing as a false breakout. We can see that once price comes to the resistance, we tend to have a rejection down to the support level. Then price will come to the resistance, jump to the support level. So one thing I'm watching out for GBP AUD is actually a drop. Like I said, within this week and upper week, we should be able to tap this, support level. At the same time, with this price actually start making that drop, I think probably it shoot up a bit before it drops. But if in case market opens and it starts dropping, then there's still no problem. Or what we would know that this week on GBP AUD, we are going to get a bearish move. We will close bearish, by the way. So the next one I am seeing is GBP AUD New Zealand dollar. Like I said, I am also expecting a bullish move on New Zealand dollar, by the way. So we will be expecting some kind of uptrend move on New Zealand dollar. So with that, any other pairs we are trading to New Zealand dollar should actually drop. So I mean, we should not be surprised that we are having a rejection here. So we should continue to get this drop to the support level, not of a doubt. Now down to the daily time frame. So will I see this as an impulse move down? Yes. This will be considered to be a correction. Yes, no problem. Another drop. So in the long run, let's see till Friday. We should be able to take out this support level, right? So this is what I'm watching out. With that, you'll be able to grab about more than 300 pips, right? So GBP to New Zealand dollar, we used to be expecting a drop. Reason is that New Zealand dollar will actually be pushing up. So we can see that there is a correction that has tapped our 10 period simple moving average, right? So we expect a rejection whereby price will literally drop. So now this is the 4 hour time frame. Price is actually rolling up. So anytime soon, we'll be expecting a drop. This is GBP card. So I'm also expecting a drop on this GBP card, but it just depends on when that price will actually play out, right? This GBP card, I won't really say when, because we are expecting some kind of like a major news on card pairs, and I am that type of person that I don't really like trading the news because the news sometimes tends to be manipulative. But technically, I still see this GBP card to be a drop. So I'm going to see this to be a drop here, an impulse move, a correction. You can see that this price is drop. So let's see if this price will actually go up before it actually gets that drop. So this week we will be expecting a drop on GBP card, but it just depends on when. That is why I said there's kind of like a major news that will be released this week, and that news is very much likely to push it up before we actually get that drop. So that is why I said I don't really like trading the news. So personally, I'll stay away from kind of like a GBP card, PS or something like that. So if in case price does not push up, if in case price does not push up and it starts dropping, then we can go ahead and sell. But let's see if in case price push up. Once price can push up to tap this resistance level, then this should be a clear opportunity for you to go ahead and sell. You will want to go ahead and sell. Now to this 4 hour time frame, you can see that this price is literally rolling up. So you can see this impulse move, a correction, an impulse move, a correction. We can call it as an higher ice, right? This is a new ice that took out the previous ice, and this is a correction. So let's see, one more movement is very much likely to take out this ice. That is why I said we are very much likely to see a movement upward on GBP card to take out this resistance level before it draws. So like I said, that just confirmed. Now the last one we would look at is GBP Swiss franc. It's still the same thing. I'm still seeing it kind of like the same thing with GBP card, but let's see what on the weekly time frame is saying. You can see like a drop is being made here, a correction, right? You can see price came to test these lows. We see price gone up. Price has come to test this lows one more again, and price has gone up. So let's see if it will go bullish a bit before it actually drop. So let's see how price will actually react to that. On this daily time frame, I think there's one more movement that will be made before this GBP Swiss franc withdraw. I am watching out for a drop. All what we would want to do is actually look for a sell setup, right? We would want to actually look for a sell setup. That is exactly what we want to do. But if in case price continues to go bullish, then still no problem. Once you start getting a sell setup, especially on your 30 minutes time frame, on your 1 hour time frame, then you can go ahead and sell. So let's see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So this is one more drop. So let's see if one more drop will play out, then we can confirm that this is a sell. If not, we might see this price actually push up to take out this high. So we should be very careful about this. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, the link will be in the comment section. Make sure you become one of the Patreon subscribers. You're going to get high probability trade. All these analysis that I've just done, they're not really high probability chances of moving, but on that Patreon channel, it is high probability trade you will be getting on that Patreon channel. So sign up, become one of our subscribers, and you'll be able to get access to it. Thank you.